Hello, everyone. It's Wednesday, March 25th, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager from Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and senior product manager here at Pearson, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 3 news items to share with you all today. Nancy?
Well, we promised that we would keep you up to date on the most current information about telepractice in an effort to fully support you as you transition in record time to deliver assessments to students or clients in their homes. We'll begin a series of email communications with you this week, starting Thursday, March 26th, to answer the most requested questions about telepractice, as well as newly released updates from professional and government organizations. We'll release emails whenever there's applicable information to share. If you miss an email, you can find the information posted already on our website, pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. In addition, the emails will include a link so that you can contact your sales representative, as well as submit questions that you haven't already heard answered or that aren't covered in the emails. Our second news item is that there'll be a video that provides you with help on administering an assessment with a Spanish remote on-screen administration. Pearson has created a video that demonstrates how a practitioner is able to send an assessment invitation email in Spanish to an examinee and how to select Spanish for the test administration. The video will also include frequently asked questions received from practitioners over this past year.
And our third and final news item of the day relates to university training programs. Many, if not most of you, are already doing teaching and classroom work online. We want to make sure you're aware of our University Training Partners Program, or TPP, and how you can access free assessment content for your online teaching load. We have resources for our assessments and consultants available to discuss your specific needs. See the end of this video for the link to our TPP program page, or reach out to one of our 2 TPP consultants. Dr. Dave Proust has a school and classroom focus for us, and Dr. Peter Entwistle has a clinical and neuro focus for us, and either one of them would welcome your reach to learn more about what we have available to you. Our Training Partners Program members now only need to renew every 3 years as well, which is good news all around. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks once again, and see you next time.